Tesla's Gigafactories stand as marvels of modern manufacturing, representing a bold step towards a sustainable future. These massive production facilities are designed to produce electric vehicles, batteries, and clean energy products on an unprecedented scale. As we explore the world of gigafactories, we'll discover how they're shaping the future of transportation and energy storage. The term gigafactory itself is a nod to the ambitious goals of these facilities. Giga refers to billions, and that is precisely what these factories aim to achieve: the production of billions of battery cells annually. The scale of these operations is truly staggering, with some gigafactories ranking among the largest buildings in the world by footprint. Tesla's gigafactories are strategically located around the globe, each serving a specific purpose in the company's grand vision. In the United States, Gigafactory Nevada focuses on batteries and energy storage solutions, while Gigafactory New York specializes in solar panels and other energy products. Across the Pacific, Gigafactory Shanghai caters to the growing Asian market for electric vehicles. In Europe, Gigafactory Berlin showcases advanced automation techniques, and back in the US, the expansive Gigafactory Texas is set to produce the Model Y and the highly anticipated SUV. The primary purpose of these facilities is to achieve mass production of lithium-ion batteries, which is crucial for reducing the overall cost of electric vehicles. By scaling up production, Tesla aims to make sustainable transportation more accessible to a broader range of consumers. But the innovation doesn't stop at batteries. Gigafactories are at the forefront of integrating cutting-edge robotics, automation, and AI-driven manufacturing processes. One of the most impressive aspects of the Gigafactory concept is the commitment to renewable energy. Many of these facilities are designed to run on solar and wind power, embodying the very principles of sustainability that Tesla promotes through its products. This approach not only reduces the carbon footprint of the manufacturing process, but also serves as a model for other industries to follow. The impact of gigafactories extends far beyond Tesla's bottom line. By driving down the cost of electric vehicles, these facilities are playing a crucial role in reducing our dependency on fossil fuels. The scale of operations at gigafactories also means they're significant job creators, supporting thousands of positions globally. Moreover, the success of this model has inspired other automakers to scale up their own green manufacturing initiatives, accelerating the overall transition to sustainable transportation. However, the path to a greener future is not without its challenges. One of the most pressing issues facing gigafactories is the supply chain for raw materials, particularly lithium and cobalt, which are essential components in battery production. Ensuring a steady and ethically sourced supply of these materials is an ongoing concern for Tesla and the broader electric vehicle industry. Another challenge lies in balancing rapid growth with sustainability goals. As demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, there's pressure to expand production quickly. However, this must be done in a way that does uncompromise the environmental principles at the core of Tesla's mission. It's a delicate balance that requires constant innovation and careful planning. Competition in the electric vehicle and battery markets is also intensifying. As other companies invest heavily in their own large-scale production facilities, Tesla must continue to innovate to maintain its leading position. This competition, while challenging, ultimately benefits consumers and accelerates the adoption of sustainable technologies. Despite these challenges, the future looks bright for gigafactories and the electric vehicle industry as a whole. As battery technology continues to improve and production processes become more efficient, we can expect to see even greater advancements in the coming years. The lessons learned from these pioneering facilities will likely influence manufacturing practices across various industries, potentially leading to a more sustainable approach to production on a global scale. The story of Tesla's gigafactories is one of ambition, innovation, and a steadfast commitment to sustainability. These facilities represent more than just a means of production. They are a testament to what can be achieved when technology and environmental consciousness align. As we look to the future, gigafactories stand as beacons of progress, illuminating the path towards a cleaner, more sustainable world. From the deserts of Nevada to the outskirts of Shanghai, gigafactories are reshaping landscapes and redefining what's possible in manufacturing. They serve as living laboratories where the latest advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence are put to the test, constantly pushing the boundaries of efficiency and precision. The impact of these facilities on local communities cannot be overstated. Beyond providing employment opportunities, gigafactories often become catalysts for regional development, attracting suppliers, research institutions, and other businesses to the area. This ecosystem effect can revitalize economies and foster innovation hubs centered around sustainable technologies. Education and workforce development are also key components of the gigafactory strategy. Many of these facilities partner with local schools and universities to develop training programs, ensuring a steady pipeline of skilled workers ready to take on the challenges of advanced manufacturing. This investment in human capital is crucial for the long-term success of not just Tesla, but the entire green technology sector. As we consider the future of gigafactories, it's clear that their influence will extend far beyond the automotive industry. The energy storage solutions developed and produced in these facilities have the potential to revolutionize how we power our homes, businesses, and communities. Large-scale battery systems could help stabilize power grids, making renewable energy sources like wind and solar more viable as primary power generators. The environmental impact of gigafactories is a topic of ongoing study and improvement. While the end products contribute to reducing carbon emissions, the manufacturing process itself requires significant resources. Tesla and other companies in this space are continuously working to minimize their ecological footprint, from sourcing recycled materials to implementing water conservation measures and reducing waste. Looking ahead, the concept of the gigafactory may evolve to meet new challenges and opportunities. We might see increased specialization, with facilities dedicated to specific components or technologies. There's also potential for greater vertical integration, with raw material processing and recycling capabilities built into the gigafactory model, creating a more closed-loop system of production. As we conclude our exploration of Tesla's it's clear that these facilities represent more than just a manufacturing innovation. They're a bold statement about the future of industry and our relationship with the planet. While challenges remain, the progress made thus far is undeniable. Gigafactories are not just building cars and batteries, they're helping to construct a new, more sustainable world. The journey of the Gigafactory is still in its early stages, and the full impact of these facilities on our global transition to sustainable energy is yet to be realized. However, one thing is certain: the lessons learned and innovations developed within these massive structures will play a crucial role in shaping our technological and environmental landscape for generations to come. As we face the urgent need to address climate change and resource depletion, the Gigafactory stands as a beacon of hope, a tangible example of how human ingenuity and commitment can drive positive change on a truly global scale.